Hi guys, this will be another trade recap from Monday, start of the trading week. Just to begin this with something, I wanted to note that I actually passed my funded on Friday. I just didn't make a video trade recap because I haven't got to it on Friday, and then I was working on my custom trade journal, and I was just working on different things, another short form video. So that is just to begin with. So today was actually the first day on my fresh funded account. The funded phase, obviously, when I've passed the eval. So this was a winning day for me. Um, I did around $796. I was aiming for 800, but there were some commissions. So, yes, another green day for me. This will be my fifth day in a row that is green. Fifth winning day in a row. I'm actually so happy about this. I couldn't be more thankful for this. Um, and I hope I can get a max payout soon. I will aim for 800 every day, and I just hope I can get the payout as soon as possible. I won't talk anymore, and let's just go straight into the trade. So this is the trade that I took. It was a 2-to-1 trade. This, as you see, I it actually got pretty close to my stop loss, but then this giant candle saved me. I'll just go over the some of the confluences I was using. Um, this is a daily volume profile. It actually looked pretty different when I took the trade, so take that into account. The POC of the daily profile was aligning with this one. So my thought was, um, we were in a pretty bearish environment because I knew that because I just yesterday I implemented options flow in my trading. So this is a call wall, this is a put wall. We were under it. That means we are in extremely like a bearish environment. So I was the whole day looking for shorts. It was a pretty choppy day. Many traders complained, but I actually liked it because of my strategy and how useful it is for a rangy market. So right here, we crossed the POC of the 1430 till 1630 volume profile. We crossed both of the POCs, didn't react to them, didn't want to pull back to them, and understand we are going down. Then we swept the value area low right here. Um, we were actually in a huge GEX, that means gamma exposure. This was a huge negative gamma exposure environment right here. There was it. I will show you on the website just after I finish this and the footprint charts. So right here, I saw an absorption, so I thought, yeah, we are gonna go down because if you don't know, negative gamma exposure means price does not want to stick around at that level. Price does not want to consolidate, and it just wants to get out of there as soon as possible. It just does not want to stick around. So I was switching the footprint. Yeah, we also came down to the daily VWAP. So another thing. The daily VWAP at that point was a little lower than it is right now. It was like right here. It was developing. So I thought the least we will get is the daily VWAP POC. I didn't actually like set any partials or go break even after, but still it was a objective to hit. Another objectives, great objectives, where this was this like value area low of the daily volume profile. It was around here. All right. It is not. It is biased by this chop that happened after, but it was right here. So I I could even like take a bigger trade at that moment. I could have taken a bigger trade at that moment, but I did not. I just aimed at this. It was a 2-to-1 trade. Um, it was for $800. So basically, the main confluences, overall bearish bias from all of the confluences I mentioned. All right. Another thing, absorption. Big absorption at the value area low of the 1430 till 1630 volume profile. Sorry, 14 till 1630 volume profile. So these were my main confluences. I think at this point, everyone who watches this video gets it. Everyone who watches this the video knows what I'm talking about. If you do not, watch my strategy video and watch some of my trade recap videos. By the time you watch like two of them, I'm pretty sure you will understand everything I'm saying right now. If you are lost, just join the Discord if you are not already in, and ask me in the Discord. Everything is for free, and I'll just explain to you whatever you want to. I'll just hop over to the Ninja Trader and show you the absorption. Alright, this is the absorption. Right here, that was the only thing like stopping me mentally from this trade. We didn't put in a zero print, but right after that, we put in another zero print. Um, then followed by some heavy aggression. Even though there were some buyer imbalances, we are still going down. The delta flip was huge. You see these numbers, boom, 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 boom. Here on the candle that I sold, it was massive. The delta was really like crazy. Buyer imbalances, strong seller imbalances, strong seller imbalances. So I waited for the aggression after the absorption here. Delta slowing down from negative 300, negative 86, positive. Alright, so that bugged me a little, but then slowing down again. Um, uh, so this is the absorption, zero prints, aggression, more zero prints. By this time, you get it. All of you get it. If you don't, again, join my Discord. I will explain everything you need, everything you want me to explain. I will, everything for free. Um, this is just the basic like definition of absorption. Just to note here, this was not an A plus absorption. um, I I mainly like entered because of this massive negative delta and me expecting a reaction from that negative gamma environment. So I just entered. Then I went into drawdown, but right here you can see the big sellers. Maybe Trump even played a role in it, but I am not sure. Big sellers stepped in. It might be because of the gamma and big companies hedging and needing to sell those positions. So that might be it. But yeah, this is the absorption. It is not A plus, but it is still a solid absorption. Zero prints at the top, aggression after, some imbalances to top it off. And I'll just hop over to the website and show you the gamma exposure. Right, this is the website. Um, it is called Quantwheel. If you want to, you can check it out. I use this symbol. That is an index for the S&P 500. That is what I trade, and the zone that I was counting on was right here. Even though there was still like positive gamma, I still believed in this narrative that it would not want to stick around because the call wall at that point was higher. So I just expected us to flush. Um, so I watched the absorption at this level. We came through it, came back up to it. We did not want to stick around, put an absorption there, and I just shorted, slapped the market sell, as you could already see. This is a very useful tool. I am not the person to explain it to you right now because I am new to this. So if you want to, you can check out some other guys' videos. They are all in the Discord. Poppy sent them, so if you want to, you can check it out and implement it in your trading too. These are very good levels, reliable levels. You can count on them. The only thing bad about it that I can say is you have to like make the counting because there is a difference between the index and the future. So this is the index. You have to check the current price, which is here, and If you do not, you will just have false levels. So if the price is 7,096 right now, and on TradingView you will see that ES is at 7,150. There's about a $54 difference. So you have to add $54 to this, add $54 to this, just so you will get the right measurements and the right levels. So, without explaining it to the like to any depth, this is the level I was working with. Um, it worked out great. There are more possible trades with my strategy today. Um, if you want me to do a like deeper trade breakdown, like possible trades that I could have taken, you could have taken, just text me. I can work on it. I can make a video. It is not a problem for me. So if you ever wanted me to do something like that, just say so. But yeah, this is just all. Retest of the value area low from the downside. Absorption, not a plus, solid absorption. Retest. Um, Objectives that were pretty clear. The gamma environment indicating a bearish behavior, as well as the POCs and the reactions to them, and also the daily volume profile was indicating a traverse of the zone to the downside. Alright guys, this is all for the trade recap. I think it will be a shorter video than usual. Maybe not, maybe I'm just talking and forgetting about time. But that doesn't matter. Great trade for 800. Risk well managed, I think so. I was risking 400 on this trade. Um, that is alright. I could take 5 losing trades, and only after the 5 losing trades, I would lose the funded. So I think the risk was well managed, even though I was unfunded. Um, I pray to God that the next few days bring me such gifts as today brought. So yeah, thanks to God for this amazing day. I hope it will only repeat itself trading wise. And yeah, that is it. Check the description. There is a free trading journal with cloud storage you can use on any device and log in with your account. You can use it completely for free. There are no fees. It is just a website that I made for you guys to use and for me to use. So if you ever want to check it out, feel free to do so. So yeah, that is all for today, and thank you for watching, and let's get this.